Okay, hi. My name is Faizatul Hamizah. I'm from Malaysia. Currently working in government hospital in Tengah Perlis. Actually, I think this course really helped me so much in terms of my schedule in study, and also practices with the question and all. So I really thank to Mr. Reda and team for the great guidance from all of you. So actually, I just follow the schedule. Sometimes I miss it due to the tight schedule and all. But then I did manage to do as much as I can, as advised by Mr. Reda, to continue with all the questions and to do as much as I can. So Alhamdulillah, I did the best that I can, and I managed to pass in this Part A exam. Hoping to see Mr. Rida soon in Part B, I guess, inshallah. See you soon, Mr. Rida. Thank you so much.